Hey, this is Ross with Sunstoppers Window Tinting here in Charlotte. Just wanted to talk to you guys today about Sunstoppers and how we do our warranties, and then also how XPEL handles the warranty through us and through you as the end customer. So when we come into your house, we show you all the samples and all that good stuff. We ask you, do you need heat rejection? Do you need glare reduction? So on and so forth. So what we have to do on the back end is we have to look at a chart in here to see if the film that we chose for your home is appropriate and all's in that limited warranty that I'm about to show you next. So what I want to show you is actually how to navigate through the website. Once we've tinted your home, you're trying to figure out how you register your warranty, all that good stuff. Right now we're at XPEL.com. If you go into the top tab, it says help, and go down to warranty information, and scroll down to the Vision home and office window film. It has the warranty information on there. It also has the warranty coverage, the glass breakage, and seal failure. So on the glass breakage warranty, you're covered for 3 years, and that's on a new window, and also for a seal failure on a dual pane window. If you've ever seen a window fog or anything like that, you're covered for 5 years on that. XPEL is really good about keeping their warranty true. All the information is in here for you to see. Also, if you look at this chart, it talks about the film type, the setting, whether it's commercial, residential, and then it talks about the glass breakage and then seal failure. Certain films obviously, have a higher absorption rate, and we have to take that into account when we're speccing out the film for you. So we do that, but then also it has its own little warranty in there for you. The next thing that I want to also show you is actually how to register your product. So this is in a separate tab. I'm going to click in here, and this is a warranty registration form. So you can actually send this to XPEL once we've come out to your home or office and tinted it. You can add all the information in there, your first, last name, email, all that jazz. So everything's in there, everything's set up for you, and that warranty is true, and we just want you to be rest assured that your warranty is covered through XPEL and Sunstoppers for the labor. If you click below, there's a link. All of this will be in there. You guys can follow that. Again, thank you guys so much. This is Ross with Sunstoppers Window Tinting. Thanks for tuning in.